everyone. In this video, I'll walk you through some of the most common Node.js interview questions that test our backend fundamentals. Let's get started. First, what is Node.js and how does it differ from Apache or PHP? Node.js is an open source cross-platform runtime built on Chrome's V8 JavaScript engine. It allows developers to run JavaScript on the server side. The main difference is how Node.js handles requests. It uses a non-blocking event-driven architecture which makes it lightweight and efficient for handling multiple content requests. Unlike traditional servers like Apache or platforms like PHP, which are usually multi-threaded and blocking in nature. Next, the second question, what is a callback function and why are they used in Node.js? A callback function is a function passed into another function as an argument, which is then executed after the completion of an external task. In Node.js, callbacks are crucial because many operations like reading files or querying databases are asynchronous. Callbacks ensure that the program doesn't block while waiting for those operations to complete. Next, what is package.json and what are its key properties? The package.json file is the heart of any Node.js project. It contains many metadata about the project and manages all its dependencies and scripts. Key properties are name and version. Identify the project. Dependencies, libraries needed for productions. Dev dependencies, libraries used during development. Scripts, custom commands like npm starts or npm touch. It helps with version controls, dependency management, and project automation. Next, difference between require and import and node.js. Require is a part of common.js, which is the traditional module system in node.js. Import is a part of ES modules, a newer standard supported in recent Node versions. User requires you are working with older versions of Node or common JS based project. Use import when you are writing modern JavaScripts and using type module in our package.json. Next, what is middleware? What middleware is express.js is a function that has access to the request response and next function. It sits between the raw request and your root handlers. Middleware is used for logging, authentication, error handling, etc. Next, what is RESTful API and how do you create one in Node.js? A RESTful API follows the principles of representational state transfer using HTTP methods to interact with data. Main HTTP methods: get, retrieve data, post, create data, put, update data, delete, remove data. With express.js, you can create endpoints like this. You define routes for each route operation and connect them to a database. Next, what is NPM and how does you use it? NPM stands for Node Package Manager. It uses to install, update, and manage libraries or tools in your Node.js project. Commands like npm init create a new project, npm install express.js, npm install all dependencies listed in package.js. It ensures your project is modular and maintainable. Why is password hashing important? Storing plain text passwords is extremely insecure. If your database is compromised, all user credentials are exposed. Hashing passwords using libraries like BCRYPT ensures that even if attackers get access, they can't easily reverse the hash. It adds a critical layer of protection for your user data. Conclusion: these were some of the most important Node.js questions often asked in interviews. I hope this gave you a clear understanding of the core concepts. Thank you for watching. Vayamma